Okay, friends, it's time for today's small group activity. Today, we're going to write numbers. Yes, we're going to write the numbers. We've always been practicing our letters, our ABCs, but let's learn how to write the numbers. First, we're going to practice writing the numbers 1 through 10, right at the top. So let's start with the number 1. You're going to need a piece of paper for this exercise. You're going to need something to write with, a pencil, a crayon, or a marker. And you're going to need a parent, a brother or sister, or someone from your family, a grandparent, to write the numbers 1 through 10 for you. All right, let's get started. Let's try to write the number 1. That looks really easy. Let's try that one. So for the number 1, we stop or start at the top and we come down. The number 1. That was pretty easy. Let's try the number 2. First, let's trace over it so we can know how the line curves. You can go around, diagonal, and then straight across. If you need to practice again, just keep tracing over the number that your parent wrote to help you get those curves. So we're going to start around, almost like a backward C. Then we're going to come over diagonally, remember that leaning line, and then come over horizontally to the right, the number 2. Now let's practice those curves for the number 3. Going over like a backward C 2 times. Look at that, almost like a letter M. You go curve and curve around. Let's try that number 3. We're going to curve and curve around. That wasn't too bad, friends. Try that number 3. All right, for the number 4, let's trace it first. Let's start by tracing the straight line coming down. Let's try that again. Come straight down. Now this line here, it's shorter. It comes down. Then we're going to go over to the right horizontally. So come down vertically, stop, go over. So it's almost like an L. So a line and the letter L. Let's try that. A straight line and the letter L. And I've written the number 4. Let's try 5. 5 looks a little tricky. So there's a line starting here. We'll start right there. We'll go over to the left, stop, come down, and curve around. Let's try that one again. Go over to the left, stop, come down, stop, and curve around. Let's see if we can do that. We're going to go over to the left, stop, come down, stop, curve it around. And we've written the number 5. Let's try to write the number 6. Number 6 has curved lines. So you're going to curve down and curve it around. Let's try that again. You're going to curve down and turn it around. So let's curve down and turn it around. Look at that. We done wrote the number 6. The number 7 looks pretty easy. It almost looks like an L upside down. We go over to the right and down. Let's go over to the right and down. That was really easy. Now look at this number. The number 8. It's 2 circles on top of each other like a snowman, like a 2-ball snowman. So let's make a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. That's the number 8. It's really easy. Some people like to have a smaller circle at the top and a bigger circle at the bottom, but it doesn't matter. Your circles can be the same size or you can make them a little different as long as they're touching to make the number 8. Now this number here has a line and a circle. Do you know what number that is? The number 9 has a line and a circle at the top, but the circle is pointing to the left. So let's make a line and a circle at the top. There we go for number 9. Now this is the number 10. Number 10 has a 1. And what's this circle called? Does anybody know? It's not the letter O. This is a number. The number 0. Yes, 0 means nothing, but when it's with another number, it changes. So this is the number 10. Number 10 is a 2-digit number, so we need a 1 and a 0 to write the number 10. Awesome.